January 1950, if he or either of his parents or any of his grandparents were born in India as defined in the Government of India Act 1935 and in addition to above condition, which applies in both cases, fulfills one of the following two conditions. In case he migrated to India before July 19, 1948, the date on which the permit system for such migration was introduced, he has been ordinarily residing in India since the date of his migration, or in case he migrated on or after July 19, 1948, he has been registered as citizen of India by an officer appointed by the Government of India for the purpose, provided that no person shall be so registered unless he has been residing in India for at least 6 months immediately before the date of his application for registration. If the above conditions are satisfied, a person shall be deemed to be a citizen of India. Citizenship of migrants of Pakistan under Article 7A, citizen of domicile, Article 5, or by migration, Article 6, to be a citizen if he has migrated to Pakistan after March 1st, 1947. An exception is, however, made in favor of a person who has returned to India on the basis of permit for resettlement in India. Such a person is entitled to become a citizen of India if he fulfills other conditions necessary for immigrants from Pakistan after July 19, 1948, after Article 6. He can register himself as citizen of India in the same manner as a person migrating from Pakistan after July 19, 1948. Article 7 thus overrides Article 5 and 6. Both Article 6 and 7 use the term migrated. The meaning of the term migrated came for consideration before the Supreme Court in Kulachi versus State of Kerala. According to the court, the term migrated used in Article 6 and 7 has to be construed with reference to the context and purpose and the prevailing political condition at the time the Constitution was being enacted, so interpreted the word migrated would mean nothing except voluntarily going from India to Pakistan permanently or temporarily. The majority held that the word migrate was used in a wider sense of moving from one country to another, with the qualification that such movement was not for a short visit or for a special purpose.